In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Airtable support. Navigating through tech platforms can sometimes be tricky, so having a clear way to reach out for help is essential. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the know-how to get the support you need from Airtable. First, let's start at the Airtable homepage. As you access the site, keep an eye out for the Help option. This is specifically designed to catch your eye and can be located in the main menu or sometimes slightly towards the sidebar, depending on how your screen is set up. The position can vary based on the interface updates or your screen size, but rest assured, it's designed to be easily noticeable. Once you've found the Help option, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a menu presenting you with various support topics, tailored to different issues and questions you may have. Our focus, however, is to get in touch directly with someone from the support team, so what you need to look for is the option labeled Message Support. This is your direct line to Airtable's support team, ensuring that you can talk directly with someone who can assist you. Clicking on Message Support will bring up a new window or sidebar, inviting you to type in your question or describe the issue you're experiencing. Here is where details matter. When reaching out to support, be as detailed as possible about the problem. It's important to clearly state what you were doing when the problem occurred, which area of the software it involves, and be sure to mention any error messages or unexpected behavior you noticed. This level of detail ensures that the support team has all the information they need to help you quickly and efficiently. So that's it, a straightforward method to contact Airtable support. Whether you're encountering a technical glitch or simply need clarification on how a feature works, remember that support is there to help you. It's always advantageous to know how to properly reach out, ensuring your workflow remains as smooth and uninterrupted as possible. I hope this guide serves you well whenever you encounter any issues while using Airtable. Feel free to share this guide with anyone else who might find it useful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. With these steps, you're now fully equipped to seek assistance whenever you require it. Happy Airtabling!